Welcome to a new day of growth, healing, and alignment with your highest self. Today, you stand before the force that changes everything, the Tower. A card of sudden shifts, divine disruption, and breaking apart what was never meant to stand. As you listen, breathe gently. This is not destruction for punishment, it is destruction for rebirth. The clearing of illusions, the collapse of false foundations, the removal of what your soul has outgrown. You are safe, you are guided, you are being rebuilt stronger than before. Imagine standing before a tall stone tower, struck by a brilliant bolt of lightning. The sky cracks open with energy, but you do not feel fear. You feel truth, clarity, release. The tower crumbles not to ruin you, but to free you from structures that were never stable, never aligned, never meant to last. Today, you witness the storm and you survive it. The tower represents sudden change, revelation, awakening, releasing illusions, truth breaking through, shattered ego, divine intervention. The tower only falls when something in your life has become too small for your soul, when you have stayed somewhere too long, held on to something too tightly, avoided a truth too deeply. The tower comes to liberate you from what you would not walk away from on your own. There is something in your life right now that has been shaking, cracking, showing signs of instability. It could be a belief, a relationship, a job, a version of yourself. The tower appears today to say, let it fall. Let what is unstable collapse so what is true can rise. You are not losing your life. You are losing what blocked your life. Close your eyes gently. Imagine the tower falling before you, stone by stone, belief by belief, fear by fear. When the dust settles, you stand before a wide open landscape, clear, spacious, limitless. This is your new beginning, fresh ground, new potential, infinite expansion. Whisper softly, I am ready for what comes after. Today's energy supports release and rebuilding. Your practice, identify something that has been crumbling in your life. Write how this falling apart may actually be clearing space. Commit to one new step toward rebuilding from truth. Remember, collapse is not your enemy. Stagnation is. Repeat with courage, I trust the changes reshaping my life. What falls away makes room for what is meant for me. The tower brings truth today. It clears, it awakens, it frees. You are stepping into new ground, stronger ground, sacred ground. Join us again, and one of the Omnistian family will be here to guide you into the luminous hope and healing light of the star.